all cycle at 60 degrees. Let me show you. So it's on all cycle and the temperature is 64 degrees. That's interesting. I'm just letting the machine to heat up a bit. Of course, I'm not gonna let it heat to 95 because these jeans are not supposed to be washed in a washing machine. So, of course, I'm not gonna do a boil wash with them, but I'm gonna let it to heat around, I don't know, let's just say 60, but maximum 60. And yeah, why I chose the cold 95 cycle is because it does delicate tumbles. Now, of course, it's on soaking phase, and because it's hand-safe full load, the soaking phase takes a bit longer than usual. But actually, now it's washing at 40 degrees, and hope it's pretty delicate, of course, because there is a lot of water. So yeah, as you can see, 39 degrees at the drum at the moment. So yeah, hope this is delicate enough, if I can say this. And yeah, after the heater is on, it will do like the delicate tumbles. Anyway, like delicate, isn't no really delicate tumbles, but almost there. Because you know this machine does that, and when you select 95 degrees. It's a very short video. I just wanted to show you. Probably I will record more parts of this custom wash. Now the challenge will be to rinse this out, as it did quite a lot of foam. I also added some bleach over there and a pretty small amount of detergent. The detergent I used is, let me show you, is this one. Ariel Mountain Spring, but liquid. Don't know, I will do a detergent test with this one too, but I don't know exactly when. Probably you already saw that, or I don't know, really know. But the idea is that this is a short video, as I said. Just gonna make this wash. Hopefully I'm gonna record also and you're gonna see, but hopefully I will not damage the jeans, because they are like ripped off jeans. There we go, the heater is finally on now. And now let's just see the wash action, the tumble mode, because that was the intensive phase for our custom wash. Now let's just see what it will do. I mean, how it will be the tumbles. Please be sure. There we go. These are very cool tumbles, I think, for these loads. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna let it to reach like 60 degrees. And the problem with them is actually I bleached them, like not in the machine, and I hand washed them, and I don't think it's from the bleach. I think it's from the detergent. I used a hand wash detergent, and actually now you cannot see, but there were like some pink stuff on it, and when I saw that these white jeans are turning pink, I instantly put them in the washing machine, and I ran the hand wash cycle until now. It reached 40 degrees. I let it to wash a bit on hand wash cycle, and now as I said, I moved it to cotton 95, and let's check the temperature. Let's see how fast it is hitting. 43 degrees. So basically now it's around 40 degrees there in the drum. Okay, so I'm gonna let it to hit about 60 degrees, and then I'll be back, and hopefully I'll not damage them. This is the first thing, and the second one, hopefully the pink, I don't know what's that stain or pink color that appeared magically in them. I think from the detergent, I don't know exactly. Hope it will be removed. And yeah, I'm gonna see how I will rinse this, probably in service mode or something, because yeah, or I think I will just switch the cycle to handles. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna be back like in 20 minutes, I think, after it reaches 60 degrees. Alright, so after some time it reached more than 60. Let me show you, 64. Alright, one more tumble, and then I'm gonna switch it to handle cycle. Let's see how this will be, and let's see how I'm gonna rinse this out. Alright, okay, this tumble is done. Now, the thing is that I don't really know if it will yeah, I don't really know. I'm gonna put it on no spin as I don't want it to spin, or should we do a little 400? I'm not sure. Alright, now hopefully it will not do cooldown or stuff. It's not, apparently. So it's directly on manual. Cool. Alright, so this is it. I just think it's a little bit whiter. Now, I can't really see everything that's going on right there, but hopefully it's like this. Alright, now I'm gonna let it to do the main wash on the hand wash or wool cycle, and then we are gonna drain the, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just letting the machine to finish the cycle. I'm gonna add some softener, gonna put a little bit more so it will not smell like bleach, and yeah, hopefully things will go well. Wool cycle at 60 degrees. Let me show you. So it's on wool cycle and the temperature is 64 degrees. That's interesting. Alright, gonna be back. Draining out. It did a little cool down on the wool cycle, which is pretty interesting. Now it will do an anti-suds rinse because of the cooldown. But before that it's doing this. Hopefully it's okay. It's still pretty delicate, which I quite like. Alright guys, I just fell asleep because I'm recording this pretty late at night. But we are on the final spin. It just drained the water. Yeah, I missed the two rinses, but basically it was pretty boring. Now gonna do this. I don't really know if it's a good idea to spin them or not, but I'm gonna give it a try. If it will balance good, at least a distribution. But hopefully it will go well. And we can spin that. I set the machine to 400 RPM, so it should not be a problem. Let's see exactly. And from what I can see, it's pretty wide. Now, of course, we are gonna take a look at it after it finishes, but I just wanted to spin it a little bit so it will not be dripping wet. Alright, at least a distribution like this. I think it's pretty able to spin this. Yeah, the machine cannot spin that, but actually maybe it will. Maybe. I don't know. I'll just let it to make some more distribution like this because I don't want to damage this pair of jeans. So yeah, the idea is that it's not recommended to tumble them, so that's why for sure it will not spin this. That's why I'm not gonna let it to spin more. Alright, this is a very unbalanced distribution, and voila, it's not spinning. Yeah, it can't actually spin this because I think it's almost impossible to spin this pair of jeans. Alright, after this one more try, and if it's not possible, alright, you know something, let's see the results. Oh my god, this is very wet, but the pink stuff is still there. Some pink thing. I cannot see very well, and I don't really know on which part it was. Okay, this right here is the problem. I mean, here is the rip-off thing. So, yeah. And let me look a bit. I think it's no more there, but I don't really know. Okay, I'm not gonna spin this as yeah, the machine cannot spin them, but I think it's okay and the results are good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I know this was a short video, but anyway, yeah, you know, it's pretty okay. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in another video, and it will be probably a longer video. Bye bye.